In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a favorite icon to your Wix website. A favorite icon, often called a favicon, is that small image you see in your browser tab next to the page title. It also appears in bookmarks and sometimes in browser history. Adding a custom favicon helps your site look more professional and makes it easier for visitors to recognize your brand at a glance. First, you'll need to log into your Wix account. Open your browser, go to the Wix website, and sign in with your usual account details. Once you're logged in, you should see your Wix dashboard with your sites listed. If you have more than one site, make sure you select the correct one that you want to edit. On the left-hand side of your dashboard, look for the section labeled Setup. If Wix doesn't automatically open on that page, click on Setup to switch to it. This area gives you access to many of your site's main settings, including where you'll find the button to open the editor. Now, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen and click on Edit Site. This will open your site in the Wix editor. It may take a few moments to load, especially if your site has a lot of content, so give it a second until everything appears and you can see your page layout. Once you're inside the editor, look at the top bar. Up there, you'll find a button called Settings. Click on Settings and a drop-down menu will appear. In that menu, select the option labeled Favicon. As soon as you click it, a pop-up window will open. Wait for this pop-up to fully load. When it's ready, it will take you directly to your site's settings, specifically to the favicon section. Here is where you can upload and manage your own favicon image. Usually, a simple square image, such as a logo or an icon that represents your brand, works best. Make sure it's clear and recognizable, even at a very small size. One important thing to note, Wix requires that your site be on a premium plan to use a custom favicon. If you're on a free plan, you'll see an option to upgrade before you can finalize this change. Once you've uploaded your favicon and saved your changes, your new favorite icon will appear in the browser tab for your site. And that's it. You've successfully added a favorite icon to your Wix website.